and welcome to another tutorial short on Janome Trades. Today we are going to be using the Janome MC 9000 and we're going to be quickly winding a bobbin. So here we have some Seriflock and we've got our bobbin. I much prefer pepper pot style metal bobbins from my machine. I just find them a lot easier to work with. We're going to pull that through the top, place our Seriflock there, and then we're just going to follow the numbers. So we've got 1, 2, and then we wind it down towards us like we were going to thread the machine, but we go back on ourselves and follow the little bobbin image. And then we're just going to pop the bobbin on this little spool wheel here whilst holding on to our end, and we're just going to push it to the side, and then our monitor will change to bobbin winding, and then when we're done we're just ready to hit start. Now just before I hit start, I would like to remind you that the pedal overrides the start button. If you have the pedal plugged in at this time, the stop start button will not function and it will not start your bobbin winding. So just remember to have your either use your pedal or slash accelerator as I like to call it, or have your start stop button don't have the pedal plugged in. So we're just going to hit start and let the magic happen. And the machine knows, so you just press the stop button again and then we can pop the bobbin over and that resets the machine back to stitch. We can take this off the top, and they've even given us a handy little cutter right there so that we can cut our thread, and then when we wish to use our Seriflock again, it's right there, and we'll just put a wee bobbin wheel on it so that it doesn't all go nuts, and there we have it. Absolutely amazing. And that is how you wind the bobbin on an MC 9000 by Janome. Feel free to like, feel free to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.